Hi, this is PR Sundar and welcome to the special episode. Once again, I am going to take some position in crypto options. For the last 1 or 2 weeks, there was a big problem in crypto market as the third largest exchange, FTX, has filed for bankruptcy, and that has created a huge problem in crypto, so the cryptos crashed. And last 2 weeks, the stock markets all over the world, so they have stabilized, and now the US inflation is going down, and then there is no much bad news from Russia-Ukraine war front. So the things are settling down, the dust is settling down, and markets are moving higher. And this video is being shot on 25th November. Even the Indian stock market, Bank Nifty at all-time high, Sensex at all-time high, and Nifty on a closing basis is all-time high, but intraday all-time high also, it's a matter of few points only. The stock markets all over the world are stabilizing, but the crypto markets are finding it difficult. That's because this FTX saga. But normally what happens, if you look at 1999-2000, there was a dot-com bubble, and there were so many IT companies, they've gone bankrupt. I still remember stocks like, Pentasoft Technology, which was trading at 3,000 rupees per share, and now it's no more. When this huge problem comes, and many companies will vanish, but at the end of the day, those who are surviving, and which are the 4 major companies that survived, TCS, Infosys, HCL Technology, and Wipro. So they get all the business. So something like that in crypto market also. So a huge problem is coming, and many companies are filing for bankruptcy. Once again, so this brings to one point to us, any exchange you do only small quantity. You don't go and put 90% of your capital, and although the returns are very lucrative, so those returns are coming, number one, with a huge risk, and not only the huge risk because of the price movement and because of the exchanges also. So that's why we always say maximum 10% of your capital you can try. Surely this is a promoted event, promoted video, Delta Exchange. With this such a big fall, Bitcoin has fallen almost from 70,000 to 16,000. But despite that, every time we have been sharing a lot of strategies. I think most of those strategies have given very good profit, and those who have given some losses also, if you have done some kind of a adjustment trades, you would have ended in profit. Last time also I gave one strategy where I suggested buying 22,000 PE and selling 15,000 PE. So now Bitcoin is trading between 15,000 and 22,000 as the expiry nears, and the 22,000 PE will give a huge profit. So assume that it closes somewhere around 17,000. So we will get $5,000 as the profit. Market sometimes can be bearish. So of course, accordingly, you have to take some positions. So right now, this FTX issue will have to settle down. The markets, when the global markets, equity markets are good, commodity markets are good. So sooner or later, this crypto market will also turn good. But now industry specific issues are there in crypto. What I thought, maybe I go create one simple strategy. You look here. So this is a Bitcoin. Expiry is 24th February. And I'm looking at 10,000 put option is already trading around $325. Call option, like maybe 25,000 call option and 269 buyer and 310 seller. Bitcoin is trading around 16,500. So I don't think that Bitcoin will fall below 10,000. But again, who knows? Anything can happen in this market. So as and when it comes, we will manage. This time, I'm going to take a trade, a simple trade, just a short strangle. I'm going to sell just one put option and one call option. Put option, I'm planning to sell 10,000 because that is the least one. We already have one sell option. I think probably my son would have done that. And my son trades a lot of things. You can see here, these are the positions he's holding. And see, almost everything is in profit. At $20, $93, $108, $297, $84, There's only one loss I can see, $411. You make small profits. That is how the option sellers survive. Simply what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell one 10,000 put option. So let me see, we sell quantity maybe 500. 500 means it's half a Bitcoin, I think. The price maybe buyer 325, seller 357. Maybe I put 340. Margin is only $400. So why to do 500? We will do 1000. So one Bitcoin. So margin is $824. So we place the order. We sell. Place the order. Okay. We have submitted. So here it is showing 340. So we are the best seller for some more time. Then call option. I want to sell 25,000 call option. Buyer 267. Seller 308. Keep 20x as the margin money. Leverage 20 as the leverage. Price buyer 267, 308. Maybe we put 290. 290. The margin is 1 Bitcoin. Margin is 823. So we place a sell order. So order submitted. 10,000 PE. So we put 340. So the other guy, from 325 has come to 328, maybe he can come a little bit more. And then call option is 25,000, 290, 268. Open orders, 290 is not coming. So maybe what you can do, 285 you do. And here 340, we do 335. So we just do a little bit change. So I'll keep changing this. 335. I think 335 also they are not taking, and here 285 also they are not taking. So maybe we change 285 to 280. 335 we change to 330. 280 and 330 still people don't want to take. So maybe we'll just wait for a few more minutes. So assuming that this is getting triggered, so 280 and 330, 430, 530, around $600 we are collecting. We are having a range of 10,000 to 25,000. I think that's a very, very good range. So this is a simple short triangle. So sometimes, simple strategies work much better than the complex strategies. So if you want to buy anything for hedging, nothing can be bought because 10,000 is the lowest strike on the downside. Maybe upper side we can buy hedging, 30,000 we can buy. But the point here is that, there is no need for hedging on the upper side. So that's because, the probability of Bitcoin going down is higher than the probability of going up. Or when it goes up, we know how to manage. Still, they are not taking. So again, we'll change to 275. And then here 325. So I think 325 got triggered. So put option got triggered. So call option did not get triggered. Anyway, I'll just choose to leave it. Buyer is 270, seller 275. So maybe I'll just wait for another 30 minutes. If it is not getting triggered, then I might consider changing the position to 270. So if you are looking at this, is a very, very simple strategy. Just for your information, this Delta Exchange is a title sponsor for our Cochin conference. So in Cochin conference, we are planning to execute more positions. So we are going to show how to trade in cryptos. So I think now that 275 also triggered, I think the market is moving higher. We just now triggered 275, now it is going, buyer is coming to 279, so which means that the crypto is moving higher. That's okay, we just don't bother until it moves to 10,000 on the downside or 25,000 on the upside. In case if Bitcoin go to 10,000 or 25,000, how to manage this position, that is what we are going to discuss in our Cochin conference. So Cochin conference, more than 100 people have registered already. Early bird offer is going to end very soon. So if you have not subscribed to the event, you may subscribe to the event right now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.